The LG V20 yes sir, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A51 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. This is an affordable 5G smartphone, so it's really good. It's available now at Metro by T-Mobile. It's been available since Friday of last week. So yeah, so this is the A51 5G. It does look like the Galaxy A51 has 4G, but this one 5G connectivity. So pretty nice. So that's the phone up there. Fenders are very nice, so not too bad. Quick specs on this A51 5G, of course, is 5G, 4500 mAh battery, and 128 gigabytes of storage. So that is really nice. And the Galaxy A51 5G can be yours for $499.99 at Metro, so pretty damn good price. So yeah, I think it's worth $500 for this one, especially that it does have 5G on it. So this is a fucking stuff for $500. So yeah. So on the front end, you have your whole punch facing camera, whole punch and small earpiece. Power and band keys will be right side of the phone. So yeah, that's the right side of the phone now. So in the back of the Galaxy A51, you do have 4 cameras, camera flash, Samsung logo, and it has square design for your camera layout, so it's pretty cool. I think your micro SD and SIM card size on the right side of the phone. So let's see. No, it's on the left side. That's like the right side. It's like the right side. I don't know what's doing. It's glitching or something. So your micro SD and SIM card slot might be on top of the phone. Maybe, I'm not sure. I don't see it on the right side or left side, so it's probably on top of the phone. So keep that in mind. So yeah. I don't know why this is glitching like that, but it is. It says here, experience the features you've been waiting for with the Samsung Galaxy A51 5G. Take professional grade photos and smooth steady video with this wide lens camera. Lean back and enjoy the cinematic display of a 6.5-inch edge display over the long lasting fast charging battery that keeps up with you. So like I said, this one is worth $500, especially this one. I'm very cool what it is. This is a budget 5G smartphone and it's worth $500. So you do get 5G, of course. That's like the main selling point for this one. That's 5G connectivity. Wide camera with 48 megapixel camera lens, 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Infinity display, 4500 mAh battery, fast charging, super steady mode, camera mode for crisp videos. Right. So super steady mode, you can take remarkable crisp Ultra HD quality video, fast movement action while you are moving. Its stability function makes photos and videos look super smooth with minimal blur rate. So pretty nice. On-screen fingerprint sensor, so you do have an in-display fingerprint sensor, so not bad for $500. So it says I securely unlock your phone with just a touch, thanks to the on-screen fingerprint sensor. No staring contests with your screen or complicated passcode for low light and flaw detection, take beautifully detailed photos, even in low light environments. Flaw detection will call out imperfections, like if someone in the selfie blinked, so you can get the perfect shot. So I'll let you know if someone blinks or have their eyes closed or whatever. So it's a pretty cool feature. Fourth, 5G. Built to take advantage of America's largest 5G network, covering more people and more places. No 5G signal gets further or is more reliable and now covering 250 million Americans. That is T-Mobile 5G for you right there. So that's a fun. Pre-grade shots with a capture pro level photos with the tap of a finger. Front from epic landscape shots to dramatic portraits to macro angles that reveal and intricate textures and detail. This impressive quad camera has a lens for whatever inspires you. Crisp, colorful, captivating. Enjoy cinematic clarity with edge-to-edge, vibrant color on the expensive 6.5-inch AMOLED display right at your fingertips. So you have 128 gigabytes of storage, you get about 0.87 watts available to use. So that's good. I think it's 6 gigabytes of RAM, I think, 4 to 6 gigabytes of RAM, I think. I think it's 6 gigabytes of RAM, I think it's 6 gigs, I think. 6.5-inch 4C plus Super AMOLED display, prior facing camera system with 48 megapixel main lens, the 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, and a 5 megapixel 4K lens, 32 megapixel front facing camera, 512 gigabytes of external RAM with micro SD. Mobile hotspot, 20 reds, tall time, Android 10 with 1 year RAM, Exynos 980 octa-core chipset. The Galaxy A51 5G weighs 6.8 ounces. So yeah, and here are some other news for the Galaxy A51 5G. If you guys want to get accessories for the Galaxy A51 5G, go to Amazon and type in Galaxy A51 5G so we can get you accessories from Amazon. So there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A51 5G is now by T-Mobile. It's available now for $499.99. So for $500, you're getting a great deal here. This is a budget 5G phone, cheapest 5G phone I've seen so far. And the specs on this one are really good. And this one looks very nice. So for $500, you can have 5G. So it's worth every penny of it. It's worth $500. So yeah, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy A51 5G is now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, and bless me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.